Hi, I'm Liz Couch and this is the Max Factor Masterclass for smudging eyeliner. Taking my kohl pencil, line the upper lash line and all the way along the lower waterline. We're going to blend this line out in a few moments, so don't spend too much time to get a smooth line. So taking my pointer brush, which is the short-haired brush that I'm going to use for smudging the eyeliner, simply just go back and forth, just over the eyeliner, and really smudging it again down into the lashes and then blending it out a little bit. So now I just want to add a bit more intensity to the lower lash line, so I'm going back in with my kohl pencil and smudging it right down into the base of the lower lashes. And there we have it. Effortless chic is very on trend at the moment, and by simply doing the eyeliner and then adding mascara to this stage, it's a great way to achieve that look. Watch how to apply mascara for show-stopping eyes. Check out the other tutorials.